Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of game development and learn about an essential piece of technology that makes it possible to play our favorite games on PCs and console. The magic behind it all are APIs like DirectX and VulkanRT. If you've ever wondered about what VulkanRT is, keep watching because I've got you covered. VulkanRT, short for Vulkan Runtime Libraries, not Vulkan Ray Tracing as you might think, is an incredible cross-platform API that enables modern 3D rendered games to work seamlessly with your graphics card or internal graphics chipset. Thanks to the support from organizations like Valve, the masterminds behind Steam, VulkanRT allows game developers to create stunning 3D applications while optimizing system resources. This means better performance and stability compared to other development APIs like DirectX. Now, you might have noticed VulkanRT or Vulkan SDK on your installed applications list, but don't worry, it's totally safe. VulkanRT is usually installed automatically when certain games or graphics drivers require it. If you're still unsure, you can always use Windows' built-in virus scanner to double-check it's legit. If you need to install VulkanRT manually, you can do so by updating your graphics drivers or by installing the VulkanRT SDK directly. NVIDIA graphics card users can also download and install the latest VulkanRT drivers from NVIDIA's website. But what if you want to remove VulkanRT from your Windows computer? Well, it's easy. Just head to the Windows settings menu and uninstall it like you would any other legit app. Keep in mind that this may prevent certain games or applications from working, so you need to reinstall VulkanRT if you change your mind. VulkanRT is a vital and safe gaming API library that ensures the smooth functioning of many 3D games. However, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on unknown software on your PC and regularly scan for malware to keep your system safe and secure. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech content. See you next time.